here and let me know in the comments. Right there. Okay?
Alright guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hey. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to do a toddler hairstyle. I'm going to show you how to do
my hair.
Yeah, her hair. So it's going to be like a Mohawk inspired Bantu knot style. So if you're interested in the hairstyle, let's get right into it.
My mom's going to do her hair because it's messy.
Alright guys, so the beginning part of this tutorial, I'm going to do a voiceover to explain how to do it. So you see me here sectioning the hair into different sections. For this hairstyle, I sectioned the hair or parted the hair into 6 different sections. So for the first section, I'm going to actually show you. I'm using my Shine and Jam. I'm going in to put the product in the hair. And I'm just going to smooth it out with a brush. There we go. And then I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. Okay, so pretty much each of my 6 sections, I repeat these steps. So we part it, we get some Shine and Jam and smooth the product through with a brush, and then we secure it with a rubber band. So now you're going to see me do the same exact steps I just said. Like I said, for each of my 6 different sections or each of my 6 different ponytails, I repeat the same exact steps. We part it, we smooth the product through, the Shine and Jam through with a brush, and we secure it with a rubber band. And like I said, you just repeat those same exact steps for each of the 6 sections, and now you're seeing I'm doing the last section here now. This one we're going to keep towards the front of her face, and the rest we're going to start styling. She got a lot of hair, so we're going to have to get some of this out the way right now.
So it don't be in my face.
So for the Bantu knot part, each section I do a couple of twists. So like for this one, I'll do 2 because this one is a smaller section. So just take a little bit of water. So get the curl vitalized. I hope when y'all comb y'all hair, y'all always start from the ends. And then you break your way up. Leave in conditioner clean. That's it. Put some in there. First one, we're just gonna do a 2-strand type of twist, like so. And I'm just gonna do the other one. So she has her 2 little curls. She got a little bit of hang time. But yes. And what I do is I just intertwine those and just form a little knot, like so. And then I just use one last rubber band just to secure it. Because she's a baby, so I don't want to put like no pins or anything on her hair. And then just work our way to the next section. Sometimes what I do is I pull them a little bit just to get a little bit more definition. Just like a spray bottle. So like this one's thicker, so I'll probably do 3 for this one. She hates that part. Alright. Put it in there. Just gauge it, like depending on the section, you might need to do 3 or 4 or 2. Just gauge it to see how much hair it is. Like I think the next one I'll probably do 4 because it's a little thicker. this. Just turn them in. Alright. And then just secure it. So we have 2 so far, and then I'm gonna do the other ones, and we're gonna come back at the last one. Do all of these. Now we're doing this one. So this one, we're just gonna have 3 coming in her face. Little water. So actually, I did the last one has 2. I did 2, 3, 4, 4. I think this one has 3, and then this one has 3. So she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My favorite number, but 6 sections. So 5 of them are actual Bantu knots, and then the front one we're gonna make like a bang. So we're gonna put some barrettes on the end too to jazz it up just a little bit.
You're gonna put some barrettes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now make sure the barrettes don't mix together.
Okay. And then we have this last one. Alright. And now let me just get some barrettes.
Yeah.
So she picked out these from the store, so I guess we'll do some of these. So we do pink, blue, and purple?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I
got 1 purple, 1 pink.
And then let me give you purple.
And blue. Give me blue.
I got blue. Oh.
Got blue?
Cool. I got 1. I got blue.
You got blue? Okay.
They look pretty.
So I'm just gonna go in, and I'm just gonna give you some edges, girl.
I'm so much excited.
So excited.
This style perfectly.
Alright, so and then I'm just gonna put a little oil sheen on it.
Guys, this piece is so cool. And
So this is the finest.
This is the end.
Yep, this is the finished product. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Show the edges. Show the edges, show the edges. And this is it. And here we have it, guys. This is the end. So I hope you enjoyed this video.
And give me a big thumbs up.
Give her a big thumbs up.
There, right there. Okay.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time. Mwah.